Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about today's video. I'm going to be talking about a product that I had been on the email list to be notified when it was back in stock for, I was probably on the list for about a month before I finally got a notification that it was back, and I was fast enough to get it into my cart and check out immediately. I've been using this product for about 3 weeks. And what drew me to this product first was, if you're new to my channel, I love physical exfoliants for my face. My favorite, hands down, is the Lancer face polish. You can use it every single day. It is amazing. It's very greeny, and it really does an excellent job at keeping crap off your face. Like I said, you can use it every day. If you have super sensitive skin, maybe use it every day or every other day. But me, I used it every day, almost twice a day, morning and night. I really like a physical exfoliant. Don't get me wrong, I like my, acids, AHAs and BHAs, but I really love physical exfoliants. So the product I'm talking about is not a mask, but it is a face polisher. And what first drew me in is when I was looking at physical exfoliants was the color of this product. It is the most beautiful emerald green color I have ever seen. Let me kind of swatch it on my hand there. Can you see that? It is like a beautiful emerald green. And it has little bitty beads. I don't know if, there you go, you can kind of see it. It has itty bitty little beads in it. So first I was just looking for, exfoliants that I thought would be good, and then I got drawn in by that emerald green. Beautiful color. And then I saw the price tag and I was like, whew, $95. Okay, all right, well, it's not available, so I'm gonna add myself to the email list so I can do a little bit more research before I bite the bullet and pay $95 for this product. And I'm probably going to butcher the name. This is in a Hungarian beauty line, but it's Omorovicza. I'm not sure, but it comes in this beautiful white packaging. It is Hungarian. And a little bit about the brand, I am going to read this. I was going to try to have it all memorized and be professional, but there's a lot of information here. Over 2,000 years ago, the curative properties of the Hungarian thermal waters were discovered. The first baths were built in the present-day Budapest. Many of the Hungarians' most beautiful thermal baths were built in the 1500s by the occupying Ottoman Turks. They brought to Hungary the traditional Ottoman hymen and built hundreds of baths on the sites of healing springs. In the 1800s, the Omorovicza family, Stephen's ancestors, commissioned one of the most famous architects in Hungarian's history. I'm gonna butcher this stuff, I'm sorry. Miklos Eby, to build the beautiful Ras Spa in capital Budapest on the site of a medieval healing spring. So what basically happened, from what I can gather here, is Stephen, who's a member of this family, met Margaret, and on their, let's see, he took his future wife to tour Hungary, and their first stop was the thermal baths, where they were amazed at the transformation of their skin, and so enlisted the help of Nobel Prize winning laboratories to harness these healing waters into pioneering new luxury skin range using hydro mineral transference. Basically, Hungary is known for the thermal baths, and more mud is what it's called. Okay, so what is in this product? Okay, so the refining facial polish. The refining facial polish harnesses the power of transformative Hungarian mud. It has exotic fruit acids, refines the complexion without irritating the skin. Pumice, or a lava stone, sloughs out dead skin and accelerates cell turnover. The microalgae improves fibroblast health by eliminating oxidized proteins and improves radiance. Purifies the skin with copper gluconate, which acts as an astringent and regulator of sebum production. It leaves skin firmer, more supple, and younger looking, as healing concentrate delivers minerals into deep into the skin. So they worked with a Nobel Prize winning laboratory to patent the healing concentrate to deliver all the potent minerals occurring naturally in the Omorovicza healing waters deep into the epidermis. Can I talk, please? Complexion appears firmer, suppler, and more youthful. Moor mud is extracted from the largest thermal lake in Europe, Lake Heviz, H-E-V-I-Z. The rich mineral content of the Moor mud has been prized by European communities for its ability to regenerate the skin damaged by free radicals and environmental stress. The health benefits of Moor muds were first realized by the Romans when the wounds of their injured horses healed at a much faster rate when they journeyed through the mineral-rich mud. Specifically, the combination of calcium and magnesium in Moor mud is what enables the horse's wound to heal faster. When delivered to the skin, it is nourished by minerals which help to heal a wide range of skincare concerns. Furthermore, the presence of the humic and fulvic acid in Moor mud detoxifies and purifies the complexion, providing a deep cleanse that removes impurities lodged within the deepest layer of the skin. The skincare benefits of Moor mud are numerous, and when used regularly will purify and rebalance your skin by stripping away impurities, balancing sebum production to reduce breakouts, fading stubborn scars, tackling early signs of aging, and healing skin that is easily irritated. Moor mud is pretty amazing when you read about it. It sounds amazing. Like, who doesn't want all of those things on their face, regardless of your age? So in their range, they have a few things, several things, because I believe Moor mud is one of their main ingredients. It's like their go-to. So they have the deep cleansing mask, the ultra Moor mud mask, and then they have the refining face polisher that I have, and the Moor cream cleanser. Now I will say that all of their items are pretty pricey. They are. But they have a lot of different sets where you can try like the Moor mud set, and they're all in trial size, which is really cool. And their trial size is actual, like, there's enough product to find out if you like it or not. I actually ordered a trial size of a cleansing balm and then their face spray. But the trial size aren't so itty bitty. Like, I got a trial size from Charlotte Tilbury, and the powder's like literally this big. So like, what am I gonna do to put my finger in there and dab it under my eye? But that's a story for another video. But their trial sizes are actually good size where you can use, I probably can use that cleanser with using it every single night to get my makeup off. Easy a month, because a little bit goes a very long way. But you only need a pea size. I am gonna demonstrate the mask in this video, and I use an excessive amount because I wanted you guys to really be able to see it, because I typically only use about a pea size, so it's just a thin layer on my skin, but I used a little bit more so you guys could see on camera the color of the mask and how it changes more into like a milky grayish green, and so you could really see it on the camera. So, oh, that looks pretty. So this is the Omorovicza, I think is how it's pronounced. This is refining face polisher. I was very intrigued by this mask because of the color. I don't know if you can see it there, but it's this beautiful, I'll put it on, emerald green. And I know we shouldn't be buying products because of their color, but this is a really cool refining polish. I do not use this every day. I think it's only recommended to be used 2 to 3 times a week. I do not wet my face when I use this before I put it on. And I've actually been trying, when I wash my face, not to get my face wet or rinse it off with water. I've been just putting water in my hands and kind of splashing it on, kinda. That's not really right. I get my hands wet and then I work like the soap, my cleanser, in with my hands, so the water's only on my hands, and then I buff it into like a dry face. And then I use my face mitt that gets wet to wipe it off. So I'm not like physically splashing water onto my face. I don't know why I started doing that, but that's a new thing that I started. I've gotten this scrubbed on. It's been about 2 minutes. And it just, like, even on your face, it feels really, really nice. So I'll get this off my hands. I'm gonna dry my hands. I've got paper towels here. This mask is cool. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take my little cleansing mitt here. I just got this off of Amazon. I'm gonna grab a couple paper towels. And I just get it into my water. And I kind of wring it out so it's not sopping wet. And I just wipe it off my face. It comes off very nice, because especially when you think about there being a mud in there, I almost felt like I thought it was going to dry like a clay mask and be hard to get off. But as you can see, it comes off very easily. And then I just turned my mitt over, because this is the side I was using. You can see the green. And I go over one more time. Make sure everything's off. Get around my nose ring. But yeah, there you have it. It's off and dry, and then just take a paper towel and pat off the face. And it really does leave your skin super, super soft. It doesn't get red, because sometimes when you use physical exfoliants, your face can get red. But it doesn't irritate the skin. It leaves it very soft. It doesn't feel dried out. It doesn't feel irritated. It's a very nice, refining, like, face polisher. I even feel like it helps with, like, the blackheads and the congestion that I get through here. I'm digging this mask. I will say that this product is really good. It is expensive. Like I said, it is $95. But this product will last you forever. It says that it's good for 9 months. So that's like $10 a month. And for a mask that you could use, technically I think I could use this every day, but I only use it 2 to 3 times a week. So if you break it down that way, it's really not a whole lot that you're going to be using. It basically breaks down to $1 a mask, basically $3 a week if you round it up to 12. So yeah, so it's really like when you first jump into skincare products, and the price tag can be very like, what am I doing? It's $95. But when you really break it down for how many months it says it's good for, and then how many times you use it per week, and break it down, it's not as scary to think about. So 10 to 12 bucks a month for this product, that's not a bad deal when you really think about it. So that is what I think about this product. I am very, very interested in trying more of their line. I do have 2 other products that I just got that I'm trying. I am slowly turning into a face mist girl. I was never one of those girls that had to mist their face all the time. Like, I wouldn't use setting spray every single day when I wear makeup, but only like when I would go to like special events like weddings or going out or something like that. But these face sprays that just hydrate and like just feel good on skin, not necessarily makeup setting sprays, I am becoming obsessed with. It's bad. It's turning into a problem. I think I have 3 or 4 that I have in rotation right now. So if you guys are interested in seeing a video about the current face sprays that I'm using, I tend to use them more in the summer, and thinking back, I usually always have one, but I'm using them on a daily basis and using them more than once a day. So if you guys are interested in seeing the facial sprays that I am using and which ones I love and which ones I'm like, I'll use it because I have it, please leave a comment below or give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.